Hi guys, Jalisa here. I am back with another hair video. I thought it would be cool to show you guys how I wake up in the morning and prep my hair to go. Because a lot of times when I wake up in the morning, I am in a rush and I don't have that much time to deal with my hair. So before I even get started with the video, I want to give you a little backstory on my hair right now. So I just woke up and I did a twist out. Not yesterday, but the day before that. I let my hair air dry overnight, and also I had it under, like, my twist under a wig. And when I got home that afternoon, I took the twist unloose, filmed a video. You can check my card on the side to see that previous video where I showed you guys how I did the twist out, what products I used, because it was kind of like a mini product review / comparison video of two products. So that video is linked to the side and down in the description box. But I just took my satin bonnet off of my head. This is a big satin bonnet that I got from the Main Choice. Really convenient for us naturals with a whole lot of hair. So I love this bonnet. So this is what I sleep with on my hair every night. And then, as you can see, I have a satin scarf tied around my head. It has moved, of course, as it always does, because I'm a wild sleeper. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off of my head. I always get questions about how do you tie your hair up at night to preserve your curls. This is how I do it. My satin bonnet and my satin scarf. So yeah, my hair is also in two ponytails right now. The way that I did the ponytails, I did not just put them in my hair any kind of way. I just split my hair down the middle, tried to put the ponytails in loose, and then also kind of push them up. That way when I put my satin scarf on, my hair is pushed up. That way I can have volume whenever I get ready to take my ponytails down. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, I only put these in around my hair one time. I didn't double them up or anything like that because I wanted to make sure I keep the pattern of my curls. So yeah, I'll go ahead and take these out. Kind of shake my hair out a little bit. Let's see what we got here. So first thing I do, shake my hair out as you saw, and then kind of pull my hair apart with my hands carefully, not to create any frizz, any extra frizz anyway. I do have some frizz right here. If you saw my previous video, you know why. So I'm just pulling it out first. And then the next thing that I like to do, us naturals, I know I do, I have a couple different products that I spray on my hair to refresh my curls. Whenever I do a wash and go or twist out, I don't do braid outs as much, but I do like the way braid outs turn out. But this is a twist out, like I said, and the product that I have on hand with me right now is the Thirsty Curls, because I have been getting questions about this since I talked about it in my last video. The Thirsty Curls is from Uncle Funky's daughter. This is the leave-in curl revitalizer. So it's like a leave-in conditioner, but it's also like a curl refresher. So when you wake up in the morning, this will loosen up your hair, because we all know we have those mornings where after we take our satin bonnet off, our hair is just stuck. And right now, my hair seems to have fallen into place really well, actually. I did not have to go on with a pick, as you guys have seen. It's kind of just fallen into place, which is good. So right now, I'm just going to take my Thirsty Curls. And y'all, if you're interested in finding out what's in this, it contains natural milks, herbs, and flowers, including coconut milk, nettle, chamomile, and it stimulates hair growth and relieves dryness. So if you wake up in the morning and your hair is dry, which I hear that a lot from people, they wake up and their hair is dry and they don't know what to do, this is a product that you might want to give a try. I know these are sold at Target. So I'm just gonna hold it back far enough and spray my hair. I'm not gonna soak my hair, I'm just giving it a nice mist to loosen it up. Okay, I think that's enough. So I'm just going to take my hands, kind of shake it out a little bit with my hands. grab my pick, kind of pick my hair out a little bit. My hair is really frizzy on this side. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, we're gonna work with it. Not gonna get too crazy with the picking, y'all, so I don't want to create too much frizz. So I already have pretty much big hair already. I think this is good. The next thing that I like to do in the morning after I have refreshed my hair, see, I'm not going to be able to keep my hands out of my hair now. Also, before I show you guys this next product, I always get questions about the shape of my hair. How did I get the shape like this? I went to a professional stylist. I actually got my hair cut in December into a nice little shape by my stylist, and it has grown out into this. So yeah, that's how I got this shape going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the next product and show you guys what I do next in my routine. Alright guys, so after I have refreshed my hair and loosened it up a little bit, I like to go ahead and add some shine to my hair. So the product I'm going to be using to add shine to my hair today is from Uncle Funky's daughter as well. This is the Glossy Finishing Hair Polish. It contains oil such as coconut, Thai ear oils, and manwa oil. So I am going to spray this, and I really like this glossy spray because it not only gives my hair a nice sheen, but it also leaves my hair feeling really, really soft. So I'm going to go ahead and spray that. That's good. Alright, so this is what I am working with. My hair feels really nice. It's big, a lot of volume. I'm just going to be pulling in it like this. Yeah, this is what I got. Nice little shape, nice volume. And sometimes, you guys, I like to part my hair down the middle like today. Sometimes I part it on the side. It's just, it all depends on what I'm feeling like. But when I part it down the middle like this, sometimes I like to take a little bit of gel to lay down some of those flyaways up there. So I'm going to grab some gel. Have my gel down here. Take a little bit. I don't know about y'all, but I still use Eco Styler gel. I'm sorry. So I'm just going to put some on my hands and just lay down the middle of my head, middle of my hair, like this. Nothing too crazy. Just laying down some flyaways. So yeah, that's what I have. Alright guys, so that's about it for this video. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys have a similar routine to what I have for waking up in the morning and refreshing your styles when you're on the go. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!